In this video, we'll go over creating a line chart in Power BI. To add a line chart, we go to Visuals and select Line Chart. And a line chart, we're usually tracking things over time, so we're going to add in order date. And then for values, we're going to add in our totals. So you see we have our totals being tracked by year in the millions. And now we can add some subcategories. We're going to add product category. And now we'll be tracking each product category by year. And if you hover over, you can see each category separate total. Now for these line charts, you can do a little bit of formatting. You can either have a dashed line or a dotted line. Or you can go in there and change each individual item's color. Let's change bikes so you can see. So that's the basics of a line chart. Your axis is going to be your time period, and your values is going to be your totals, either money totals or product totals, whatever you're tracking. And then your legends is for your categories.